presents Educational Satellite Television Programs.
Hello, teacher. Hello, students. Welcome to today's lesson on percent increase and percent decrease. Today, we will continue to find ways to apply mathematical calculations to our activities in everyday life. We will study percentage increases and decreases, profit and loss, and merchandising markup. We have a lot of material to cover today, students. Let us begin the lesson. From your previous studies, students, I am sure that you are familiar with the word percent. The word percent means for every 100, and it is denoted by the percentage symbol. The word percent is used frequently. You might say that you received 80% on a math test, for example. Percentages are also used in many business applications. Interest rates on loans, discounts in sales, and inflation rates are all expressed using percentages. Recall, students, that a percentage is found by multiplying rate and base. If our rate, R, is 20% and our base, B, is 300, then our percentage, P, is 60. In other words, 60 is 20% of 300. We could pose this problem in a different way and ask, 60 is 20% of what number? We know that our percentage is 60 and our rate is 20%. Now, we simply solve for our base, B, and find that our answer is 300. Occasionally, you may hear someone say that the price of an item has gone up by 10%, or that there is a sale and an item is 40% off. Businesses very often express increases or decreases in terms of percentage because it makes it easy to perceive the change in price. Students, I would like you to try an exercise. Please calculate the following price increase and discount as a percentage.
Students, let's get ready. Begin. Time's up! Let's get back to our lesson.
Hello again, students. How did you do? The price of sugar increased by 160%. The price of a pair of shoes decreased by 30%. Now, you will be able to know the exact price of an item. A store might try to attract you by advertising a sale of 20% off. Sometimes it is not as economical as it sounds. When people sell goods for a living, they try to make some money from their sales. In order to do this, they must sell the goods for more than it costs to purchase them. The price a trader pays for an article is called the cost price, or CP. The price at which articles are sold to the public is called the selling price, or SP. When the selling price is greater than the cost price, the trader makes a profit. If the trader sells the article for less than what it cost, the trader suffers a loss. Both loss and profit are calculated as percentages of the cost price. Percentage profit is calculated by dividing the actual profit by the cost price and multiplying this number by 100%. Percentage loss is calculated in the same manner. Students, suppose that a woman buys 250 oranges for 450 birr. She sells the oranges for 2.25 bir each. Please calculate the profit or loss she has made.
Students, let's get ready. Begin. Time's up. Let's get back to our lesson.
Welcome back, students. Was your answer a profit of 112.50 bir? We must first calculate the selling price by multiplying 250 by 2.25 bir. The result is 562.50 bir. The gain is calculated by finding the difference between the total selling price of 562.50 bir and the purchase price of 450 bir. If she sells all of the oranges, she will make a profit of 112.50 bir. Great work, students. I am sure that you can see how useful it is to calculate profit and loss. We have already discussed that a merchandising business must sell goods at a higher price than the cost price in order to make a profit. The difference between the selling price and the cost price is called the markup. Markup must cover not only the original cost of the item and the desired profit, but also the expenses related to the sale, such as wages, utilities, and transportation. Markup is usually expressed in terms of a percent. The markup percent equals the markup divided by the cost price times 100%. A discount is a reduction in the original selling price, also called the regular or marked price. A discount is sometimes referred to as a markdown. When the selling price is marked down or discounted, the customer pays a sale price for the item. This gives us the following relationships. Discount is equal to the marked price less the sale price. The discount rate is equal to the amount of the discount divided by the marked price times 100%. Students, suppose a shoe company has determined that in order to cover their expenses, they need to mark up their prices by 40%. What is the marked price of a pair of shoes that cost the company 500 birr? If they offer the shoes at a discount of 20%, what is the final sale price?
Students, let's get ready. Begin. Time's up. Let's get back to our lesson.
Hello again, students. If the company marks up their prices by 40%, the selling price of the shoes is 700 bir. If the shoes are then offered at a discount of 20%, the sale price is 560 bir. Even at a sale price, the company still makes a small profit on the shoes. That is all the time we have for today's lesson, students. Today, you have learned about profit and loss, as well as merchandising markups and discounts. In our next lesson, we will study expenses associated with real estate. Until next time, thank you, teacher. Thank you, students.